Hi, I'm Chad, Operations Manager here at Windward Design Group, and today I'm going to show you how to replace swivel rocker plates. To start, you'll need some common household tools, including a cordless drill and a 1/2-inch impact driver with a 1/2-inch wrench. Once you've gathered all your tools, start by removing the sling bucket. It's 4 1/2-inch bolts, 2 on each side. Once you've removed the bucket, you'll have full access to the swivel rocker mechanism. On the mechanism, there are 6 bolts. Please remove the 6 bolts using your 1/2-inch drive, impact, and your 1/2-inch wrench. This will remove the frame from the base of the chair in the swivel rocker mechanism. After you've removed the frame, there are 6 more bolts holding the 3 rocker plates in place. As you're removing these bolts, please make sure that you keep the keeper plate, a small metal plate with 2 holes in it. That'll be needed to reinstall the new rocker plates. Once you've removed all the plates, inspect everything for damage. As you're putting the new rocker plates in, please make sure that the keeper plate goes on the rocker plate side as you're tightening your bolts down. Before tightening any bolts down, make sure that you have all bolts in place hand tight. Once they're all in place hand tight, then you can tighten them down with your impact and your wrench. You can then reinstall your sling bucket. Start all bolts before tightening them down thoroughly. Once you have all bolts and everything back in place and tightened down thoroughly, please inspect for damage caused replacing the swivel rocker plates. If you have any questions, please visit windwarddesigngroup.com.